Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious lemon cupcakes. And if you would like to learn how to make your own homemade quick and easy desserts, consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's everything you need: lemon juice, lemon zest, canola oil, whole milk, 3 eggs, and 1 box whole white cake mix. So the first thing we're going to do is make our batter by adding 1 whole white box cake mix to your mixer. Next, we're just going to add all of our ingredients, which right here I'm adding my 3 eggs. Now I'm adding my canola oil. And we're going to just dump this all in all together. Next, I'm going to add my whole milk. Now we're going to add the zest of a lemon, and I'm just going to use half of it, which right here is a whole lemon. So we're just going to use half and save the other half for later. Now I'm going to attach the whisk to my mixer. And now we're going to blend everything till everything is well combined. Last but not least, we're going to add our lemon juice. Once your batter is done, it should look something like this, and we're just going to fill these cups halfway just so we can get the perfect size and consistency for all cupcakes. Now we're going to bake our cupcakes in the oven on 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's start on our frosting. Now for our lemon zest frosting, we're going to add 2 sticks of butter, which should be 1 cup of butter. Next, we're going to be adding our powdered sugar. And don't worry guys, I will leave all measurements down below. Now we're going to give everything a nice blend till everything is well combined. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Off camera, I went ahead and added the lemon zest and the lemon juice off camera, but it's just self-explanatory. You just dump everything in there and then continue to blend. Now in our piping bag, we're just going to go ahead and add our frosting on top of our cupcakes, which have already cooled. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give me a like. It also helped me out a lot, so I appreciate it. Now we're going to add the rest of our zest on top of our cupcakes, just to garnish. And last but not least, we'll be topping them off with slices of lemon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on your bell so you'll get notified whenever I post. And until the next video, you guys, y'all stay safe out there, and peace.